I'm super excited to guide you through today's lesson. We'll be practicing English at a bookshop. We'll start by listening to a simple conversation, then break down the vocabulary, and finally practice answering questions together. Make sure to stay until the end for a fun duet practice where we can talk together. Let's jump right into it. Now, let's listen to a simple conversation between a customer and a shop assistant at a bookshop. I'll read it slowly first, and then we'll hear it at a normal speed.
Part 1. Listening Practice. Hello, do you have any books about animals?
Yes, we do. What kind of animals are you interested in?
I like cats and dogs. Do you have a book about them?
Yes, here is one about cats and dogs. It's very popular.
How much is it?
It costs $15.
Great, I'll take it. Do you have any books for children?
Yes, they are on that shelf over there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Part 2. Vocabulary Breakdown. Bookshop. A shop where books are sold. Example, I went to the bookshop to buy a new novel. Kind. Type or category of something. Example, what kind of food do you like? Popular. Liked by many people. Example, this book is popular among children. Cost. The price or amount of money you need to pay for something. Example, how much does this toy cost? Shelf. A flat surface where items such as books are placed. Example, the book is on the top shelf. Interested in, wanting to learn more about something or enjoy something. Example, I'm interested in learning more about history. Part 3. Listen and Answer Practice.
Next, I'm going to ask you some questions about the conversation. Try to answer them in full sentences. I'll give you the answer after each question. So, follow along.
Hello, do you have any books about animals?
Yes, we do. What kind of animals are you interested in?
I like cats and dogs. Do you have a book about them? Where is the customer? The customer is in a bookshop. What does the customer want to buy? The customer wants to buy a book about animals. Which animals does the customer like? The customer likes cats and dogs.
Yes, here is one about cats and dogs. It's very popular.
How much is it?
It costs $15.
Does the shop assistant have a book about cats and dogs? Yes, the shop assistant has a book about cats and dogs. How much does the book cost? The book costs $15. Great, I'll take it. Do you have any books for children?
Yes, they are on that shelf over there.
Does the customer buy the book? Yes, the customer buys the book. What does the customer ask about next? The customer asks about books for children. Where are the children's books? The children's books are on the shelf over there. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Does the customer thank the shop assistant? Yes, the customer thanks the shop assistant. What does the shop assistant say to the customer at the end? The shop assistant says, "Have a nice day." Is the book about cats and dogs popular? Yes, the book about cats and dogs is popular. Part 4, Duet Practice.
Now it's your turn. We'll do a duet practice. I'll be the shop assistant and you'll be the customer. Pause the video and repeat after me, filling in your parts. Ready? Let's start.
Hello, do you have any books about animals? I like cats and dogs. Do you have a book about them? How much is it? Great, I'll take it. Do you have any books for children? Thank you very much.
Yes, we do. What kind of animals are you interested in? Yes, here is one about cats and dogs. It's very popular. It costs $15. Yes, they are on that shelf over there. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Great job! I hope this practice helps you improve your English listening and speaking skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing and don't forget to check out our other videos for more language learning tips. Thanks for joining me today and see you in the next video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video and happy learning. Bye!